morning, everybody. It's Father's Day, and look at here. Here's the father, Matt Jackson, with Noah, aka Chumley One, and here I am, father, with Jake, aka Jake.
Yeah, this is VW Life, and if you're new here, we've got some old VW buses, and we go do crazy stuff, and we bring you along with us.
Yes, we do. And today, the crazy thing is, we're going to the Central Texas Classic Auto, Antique Auto Car Show, something like that. It's an annual Father's Day show, been going on forever. It's one of the coolest things because there's Volkswagens there, us, but there's also Duesenbergs, Model A's, Model T's, everything in between, man. It's a cool, fun show, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go grab some tacos and then go look at all the old cars and bring you with us.
That's the plan, Stan.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Okay, so what's going on here?
So we are registered. Look at this. This is official. They got so wonderful. You go to a website, you register, you come in, you get your packet. What a concept!
And you're number 1 and 2.
Yeah, that means somebody was on the spot.
Wow, you guys are kind of cool.
I must have did it. I don't even remember registering.
Okay, we have fine examples of Volkswagens here.
Yes.
Concours d'Elegance.
Oh yes. This would be like Pebble Beach. Eat your heart out right
Yes.
here. This is it. This is the Elegance.
Yes,
fantastic.
And it looks like you've got a book of Jerry.
This is the book of Jerry.
I didn't know about this.
You did not know about this?
No.
Just to give you an idea, that's Jake, and so you can kind of see. And then that's Jake now.
He got taller.
Yeah, he did. He grew. So yeah, the book of Jerry. There it is. The story of Jerry the bus. 2006. That would be 13 years ago.
I think this needs to be a story on itself.
Yeah. Well, so you want to see something really interesting in here is here's the original bill of sale for Jerry. Application for fees.
Oh, it was a California car.
Yeah. And then here is Jerry's 300-mile maintenance record.
That is really
From it was at $5.41. That's Earl Brown Volkswagen. So yeah, this is what we would call in the business provenance.
Provenance.
So Jerry has provenance, and this literally goes all the way from 1965. Yeah, all the way up. And then I have all of my receipts, but that would be like this thick.
Yeah.
But this is all the provenance, which is really cool because
I mean, look at that.
Yeah, look. Here's the mileage: 2348. December 5th of '66.
Let's go find this Devon edition vanity.
It's an 84, so 84 is the first year they were water cooled, and that has given me a lot of problems, but I actually did the Boston conversion, and so that's not a problem anymore. But if you come in here, so there's a space in the middle, and this part pops up and slides forward, and then it makes a complete bed, and you climb up from the lower part, and that's how you get up to the upstairs.
Wow, okay.
So I feel like it's a weird, very interesting solution to that problem of having the center space.
And who made this?
Devon Conversions of England. I believe they're still in operation today. And so this is obviously different from a normal Westie layout.
Absolutely.
But, and this is just storage over here, but the propane is in here as opposed to being underneath. And there's a gray water tank underneath for the sink. That's all different from a normal Westie, and this is the normal rock and roll bed.
How long have you had it?
Since 2012, so 7 years. A Bostic conversion from a Ford Focus from 2003. I just did this last year, but you can see how much space there is. I mean, that's amazing compared to the old Boxer engine, which you couldn't see the ground at all.
Hey, Bela.
What's up, dude?
So this is Bela and his yellow 76 called
The banana boat.
Mr. Banana Boat, and you might recognize this bus from our road trip series. I'll put a link to that up here. You think you're gonna win the best of show today?
Yes. Hi.
I don't think so.
I am here.
Best yellow bus at the show.
Life.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. I like your VW.
Thank you very much. Had it since it was new.
You bought it new in '68?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's got 43,000 original miles.
43,000 and wow, it is beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, we just met Scooter, and this is her beautiful '68 VW Beetle. She bought new in '68. We're gonna talk with her.
Hi, Scooter. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
I'm Gary.
Hi, Gary. It's very nice to meet
It's a
you.
pleasure to meet you too.
Thank you, sir.
Tell us a little bit about your Beetle.
Well, he got bought over at Bob Miller over there on
Yes.
290,
Yes,
the original
ma'am.
Volkswagen, and he's just been in the house, you know.
And you've owned it since day one.
My mom bought it
Mom bought it.
originally,
Okay.
and then she passed away, so I inherited it from her.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
then I had it restored,
Okay.
and so
And now you just drive it around and
I just piddle around, and not so much in the summer with the no AC.
Right.
Thank God for these.
Yes,
Is all I can
I know
say.
the one thing modern cars are missing is
They
are
should
vent
put these in
windows.
Modern's car,
They
yeah.
should.
Yeah.
So do you have a name for your car?
His name is Jesus.
Jesus, okay, and it is absolutely beautiful. So,
thank you.
was it redone here in town? Who did it? Do you know?
Well, yeah, both the guys have died, unfortunately.
Oh, wow.
The fella owned a place over on Houston Street called The Body Shop.
Yes,
His name was
ma'am.
Bill Mitchell.
Okay.
He did all the body work, and then my friend Lonnie Henderson rebuilt the motor.
We know
and Lonnie, of
just
course,
recently passed
yeah,
as well.
he
Yes,
died.
ma'am.
So, all my Volkswagen people are gone. I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
Well, we'll make sure we get you taken care of.
Or,
That's
you know, I learned to drive on a 61 Volkswagen.
Okay.
That my aunt and uncle brought back from Germany.
fantastic.
He had the split window. And he was,
Yes, ma'am.
His name was Little Hitler. And I learned to drive in Little Hitler, and then I bought a 61 Gia,
Okay. Wow.
and then I traded that in on a 69 Gia.
All right.
And then my mom got this. So we've been doing the Volkswagen thing for a while.
That is awesome. Well,
Yeah.
it is a beautiful car.
Well,
it really
thank you
is.
very much.
And we're so glad that you brought it out today.
Yeah.
That was really cool meeting Scooter.
My gosh, man, I love stuff like that, Matt.
Yeah, that's really cool. If you guys like what you're seeing, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're
and
into old cars.
Tell all your friends, tell your
Yeah.
aunts.
Yep. Now we're gonna walk around and look at all the other kind of
Yeah,
cars.
there are some beautiful cars here, man.
Very
all beautiful. Matt Jackson, Safari Window Mafia.
Nice.
Sure. I've had it since 2011. It is a European car. It's got about 125,000 kilometers, so 80,000 miles. It's all original except for the respray and the original numbers on engine and transmission. It's in great shape, no rust. I drive it a lot. It's been a lot of fun. I've had a number of 911s. When I sold the last one, I said I was going to get one of these, and it took me a little while to find one, but they are the quintessential Porsche.
And it's got a 1600.
1600, 75 horse. The SC had 90s. Twin carburetors. This one has the Zeniths, but that's the way it came. So I had a bunch of Volkswagens, and I had through the years 69 pop top and 67 21 window and straight 64 panel side bus, and then had a 67, a 64, and a 61 sunroof Bug, 3 different Bugs, all different sunroofs, and a 68 Bug, but it didn't have a sunroof.
So you've had a lot of Volkswagens.
Yeah, I like the air cools.
That's
all there is.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. This is a beautiful Porsche.
down, loaded up and trucking. We're gonna do what they say can't be done. We got a long way to go and a short time to get there. We're eastbound to Quattro Bandit Run. Woo!
It's confirmed there is enough room to camp in the trunk of a Montclair.
He can go camping with us now.
I'm 5'10", so I think we got 6.5 feet in here, baby.
That's awesome. Hey VW Lifers. So here's the thing.
Oh, did you really?
What we want to bring you guys is something at VW Life that I think it's for the community. One of the things I'm really that's the stories that you hear that from people who grew up with Volkswagens and where they were and how they were in their lives and the roles that they played. Everybody had a Volkswagen. Well, those days are not happening anymore. We've got generations that have lived that don't have Volkswagens, that don't know what they are. So when we hear these stories, we're going to start bringing these things to you guys, because I think it's very important to chronicle these stories, because it's a part of the community and it's a part of the fabric that melds all this Volkswagen stuff together in Volkswagen life, because these things have been around. And it's like all the stories that people have. We're going to bring these things to you guys, not just us, but the stories of everybody. So stay tuned for that stuff, because that is, man, it is so important, and it's something that we're going to lose. Well, Matt Jackson,
Well,
Father's Day Car Show, man. It's the Austin chapter of the Antique Car Club of America. What a great show, huh?
it was a beautiful, a little warm, but it was cloudy and it's been hotter before.
Yes. And I mean, the best part about this show is just the eclectic number of just cars that you see that you just don't normally see. You know?
Yep.
And the other thing is how many people and stories as that we get on people. Hey, man, I remember I had a Volkswagen.
Oh, yeah.
My grandma had one of those.
Yeah, I just talked to a guy that had a 69 and was telling me his whole story about it.
Yeah,
And,
it's just that's one of the things, because you get a lot of people who are not normally in the Volkswagen world anymore. So that's always a good thing, and this is one of our highlights of the year. It's a thing where it's one of the rare times where we just get to sit back and be spectators.
yeah, we just chill out and people come up and talk to us and we walk around and look at all the cars and hang out. So
Yeah, it's
a
good
fun time.
times. So I hope you guys enjoyed just today, a little different than normal, but as always here at VW Life, we just like bringing you guys things we do, that's for sure.
That's right. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button below and leave us a comment.
Yes, definitely. Please do that and tell everybody to check out VW Life, and we just appreciate you guys and everything y'all do and all your comments. Thanks, you guys.
Later.